jullie beiden met diepste dank voor de wonderbaarlijke ervaring die ons samen via de ether heeft vergezeld. Such nice words. Thank you so much for your kind words. It's really hard to translate because there's French, Dutch.
Welcome back everyone, welcome to Schiphol. Back out and about with Jayda today. Just met AMS live and actually listened to him. So nice sunny day at Schiphol Polderbaan. I'm gonna walk a little bit further, then I'm gonna set up and we're gonna have some fun.
More than likely going to go. And Menno is asking about how to reach the end. That is very easy.
So I'm gonna stop the recording right now and then I'm gonna switch to 30 FPS because it's still on 60. So I'm gonna switch to 30 FPS. Okay, so I switched to 30 FPS. Let's see what it's like. Coming in is an EasyJet. I'm not really set up yet, so I can't really check information to see what's coming from where. Just want to see what 30 FPS is looking like. And I try not to take my stand today. Yeah, I said the 30 FPS is not really looking buttery smooth, so I think I might just go back to 60. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back to 60. And I'm back at 60 FPS. Yeah, this is looking way nicer. Still gotta open my flight app. Let's flight. Which one do we use again? Flight app. So still gotta open it up to see what's what and what's coming from where. Eastern. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this there for a bit while I get everything set up.
Ik heb het stukje teruggeluisterd, kon hem vinden.
Nee?
Ik kon hem wel vinden.
Je kon hem wel vinden?
Ja.
Oké. Flight aware.
Heb je YouTube Premium?
Yeah. So it was also nice to meet AMS live. The first time I saw him, he was busy, so I didn't really say anything to him. So it was like, I said it in the comment, it was like, yeah, next time you're back, you should just pass by. So that's what I did. This is the Transavia A320. Beautiful looking plane. So I'm actually looking at some flights to go over to England on Tuesday. And there's a flight, the A321 KLM going over to France. So I was looking to see if I would be able to go there. With my sidekick Jayda, of course. With my sidekick. So those planes are going to, and these ones are coming to Polderbaan.
Dat is EasyJet.
EasyJet?
Volgens mij.
This is Transavia A321. Yeah, EasyJet flight 7952 A320. And this one is coming from France, from Nice. Flight time 1:58. Which one are you using, you say?
Wat?
Which one are you using?
Nu?
Yeah?
Flight radar.
Flight radar?
Flight radar.
Oh, okay. Come, let me show you how to use it. So, das ist Jet A320neo. So that's a normal zoom, and let's check out the digital zoom. That's looking like a A330 going to. Okay, so this says this is 10 times zoom. I'm not gonna lock the focus today. I'm just gonna let it run and try to figure itself out. Yeah, A330 with some birds chasing it. So while I'm looking at that one, there's something coming into this one. This one is coming from Ireland? Which one is it? E175 or 190?
Welk van de twee nummers moet ik Wat?
What is it? 737?
Er staat hier 5632.
Come, let me show you where to look. That's what I said.
B738.
Oh, kids. Okay, Boeing 737-800. Thank you. Thank you. I pay you a lot, so you're expecting it. Woo! Ah, that's me target, Jayda. So one day we're gonna do a live stream also, but not right now. And at the moment I'm busy with driving, so in a few weeks I'll probably have a live. Maybe. No, I didn't say that. What's the next one, Jayda? I see two coming in.
Ook van Transavia. Wacht. Dezelfde komt eraan.
Yeah, another Transavia.
B738.
Coming from?
Italië.
Okay, so another Transavia coming from Italy. I see a A330 Delta in the background. That one is coming from Minneapolis. Flying time 7:38, and it's A330-300. Okay, but first, Transavia 737-800 from Italy. Where in Italy?
Polderbaan.
Yes, like I was saying, it's really nice to meet MS live. Always listen to it. Most times. I don't always have time, but when I do listen to it. Really nice, really entertaining. And sometimes I am busy, I don't even watch, but I just listen anyway. That's really nice. That's the Delta?
Huh?
That's the Delta? Where's it coming from again?
St. Paul.
Minneapolis, huh?
Yeah. Wat is dat geluid?
Let's zoom in a bit. Buttery sweet. Hallo. Yep.
Ja. Oké. Goed zo. Oh. Nee, we zijn zeg maar al bij die plek waar we zitten.
Halverwege de Polderbaan.
Ja, weet ik veel, ergens langs het fietspad. Ja. Daar komt ook.
Okay. Jayda, what's coming? So busy focusing on other things. What's this? 787? 777? Which one is it?
75L. Oh, maar dat is gaat KLM toch?
That's not KLM. That's looking Chinese. What is it? Emirates Cargo. Yeah, 777. What's that from that? 777 is a 777. So instead of saying 777, people say 777.
Maar is het een B77L?
B?
B77L.
77 wat?
L. Van jou, de eerste letter van je naam, weet je wel?
Yeah, that means Boeing 777 long range.
Maar er staan toch maar 2 7's?
What is next? What's next, Jayda?
Ik ga zo kijken.
Okay, let's see what's coming. Jayda trying to figure it out, so let me take a look. said before, like sometimes not too late, so I need one if you can move. Whenever I'm turning, it's kind of like sliding, so I will have to get myself one that's a little bit sturdier because I'm gonna slide so much.
De
What?
volgende is een KLM E750L.
Ja.
Die komt van United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Cardiff?
Ik weet heus wel hoe die app werkt hoor. Ik ben niet dom.
Yeah, I know you're not. What is this? E175 also? Yes. And what's behind that one? Iceland Air.
B38M. Ik weet niet hoe ik hem moet uitspreken, dus ik zeg het gewoon.
Okay.
En er komt nog een EasyJet aan.
Yeah. Small ones, eh? No biggies. Might skip some of the smaller ones, or might just make 30 minutes of it and then I'll stop and then I'll do it.
Hoe groter het nummer is, een groter vliegtuig.
Most times so. This one is from Cardiff. KLM E175. Let's swing back around. This one is the Iceland Air. Coming from Keflavik. Flight time 3 hours and 5 minutes. Boeing 737 MAX 8. And sometimes I do come with the 767. Alright, what's next? At the moment, nothing at all. Alright, I'm gonna pause for a while and then I'm gonna see what's happening. Maybe they're gonna close for a while. Who knows? Maybe they'll even take off. So when something is happening, I'll tune back in. So back again, and next flight is KLM 1830. It's a E190 and it's coming from Stuttgart. And behind that is Corendon A350 coming from Curaçao. So, ain't that lovely? for an A350. Let me get a little bit closer with the digital zoom. That's 12 times. Wat?
Je hebt gewoon op de drive around Sint Maarten 7000 views gekregen. Hè?
Wat?
Op de video drive around Sint Maarten, maar naar Philipsburg heb je gewoon 7000 views gekregen.
Mooi toch?
Ja.
Was ben jij in de A350?
Is dat deze? Hij is aan het laden. Hierachter? Degene hierachter?
Ja, is
German Airways.
German Airways. Ja. So, what am I doing? Be back in a few seconds. I'm just gonna let it come a little bit closer. This one is German Airways, flight 1020. It's a E190. It's coming from Leeds. And yeah, Leeds Bradford International. Is it performing a flight for KLM? Yeah. Flight 1020 for KLM. Operated by German Airways. Uitgevoerd door German Airways. Beautiful. Spin back around and see what's coming. I believe it's another E190, but this one is KLM, and let me see where this one is coming from. No, that's a 737. 737 KLM, 737 KLM. What? Okay, first one is coming from Paris, KLM 1406, Boeing 737-800. See, Jayda's doing a good job keeping me up to date. What's going on? What?
Italië, Milaan.
This one is Jayda said this one is coming from Milan. Milan? What is that?
weet
Milan?
ik veel.
Milan? What's this? That's a Finn A350 departing AMS. Beautiful, quiet. Okay, let's get back to incoming traffic. Let's try to pick it up. This one is KLM 1614 coming from Milan. Did I say Milan? Milan. Oh man. Is that funny? Oh yeah, this is not funny.
Ik ben wel grappig.
You're funny?
Ja.
Oh, okay. Back up again. So I'm gonna cut this off in a bit and I'm gonna call it part 1. What's coming in? Transavia 737, Aer Lingus A320, Transavia, Turkish. Sorry, what, Jayda? This one is Aer Lingus. Coming from Dublin? A320? What's the next one?
Transavia 738 van Griekenland.
Transavia coming from Greece. So for me to get the tripod steady, I will have to push down on it, which means I can't zoom at the same time. So it's a little problem. It was a cheaper tripod, it's kind of light. You can see my review of it. But it's really difficult to turn, it's really tight. There's a lot of tension in it. So when I'm trying to turn it, it's gonna slide away unless I try to push it down on the ground, which means I can't zoom at the same time. So I'm actually missing one hand. That's too bad. So this one is a Turkish flight. It's saying Turkish A310. So it's cargo. Is it really A310? Alright, next one is a big one, and I believe that's Delta A330 Neo. So this is going to be the last one, and that's going to be part 1. And after that we'll make part 2.
Wat is? WA, is dat Wales?
What?
WA,
Yeah, what's that?
is dat Wales?
Depends where it is. Seattle?
Ja, wat is dat?
So this is going to be the last one, and it's going to be the end of part 1. Delta A330 Neo coming from Seattle. Beautiful. Okay guys, so that was part 1. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Shout out to Jayda for assisting me. Can I film you? Yeah? Okay. I mean, I did already anyway. A wave? Again? He wasn't in shot yet. Okay. Thank you guys. See you in part 1. Sorry, in part 2. This was part 1. Later.